good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss about the atoms topic. Here if we observe, we'll observe matter is made up of, everything is made up of matter, right? Here, everything here, those are made up of small particles. The atom is made up of small particles. Here, J.J. Thomson told that, he told that there will be some positive and negative charges. Like he have taken one watermelon and told that the positive and negative charges are embedded in it, like the seeds are embedded in a watermelon like this. Here this model is also called as plum pudding model. Again after that Rutherford came into the existence. Rutherford told that, what Rutherford told? Here from this J.J. Thomson effect he modified and told that here he told about the gold foil experiment. Like he has taken light and he allowed to fall on a gold foil and scintillations, and he explained about this model. Later these are not that much important because these are having some drawbacks. What Rutherford model is having drawback? Here he told like here there will be a nucleus and around this the electrons, these are the shells, the electrons will be revolving around the nucleus but undiscrete paths. It was told by Rutherford. Again later Bohr came into existence and he told, what he told? He has given some postulates. Here first postulate is the nucleus will be like a large and it will be center of the atom. Here the electrons will be revolving around the nucleus but only in discrete paths. What Rutherford told? Undiscrete paths means again these will go like this and they will come into the nucleus and there will not be existence of atomic model. So here Bohr told these electrons will be revolving but only in its discrete paths. Discrete paths means they will be revolving but only in its discrete paths, that specified paths. Here in this way, in this manner, these electrons will be revolving around the nucleus. That is the second postulate. What third postulate he has given? The electrons revolve around the nucleus, that is equal to integral multiple of h by 2 pi. That momentum of the electron is integral multiple of h by 2 pi. H is the Planck's constant, that is 6.67 into 10 power minus 27. Here pi we know 3.14. By substituting those values we can find out, like he also told that when this nucleus absorbs energy and this will be the electrons which absorbs energy from the nucleus, that will be, they jumps to the outermost state after emitting energy. Like they can, after some time, like 10 power minus 8 seconds, they will jump back to ground state. Here we have different series depending on the wavelength and frequency of the emitted light waves. Here if we observe spectrum, let's suppose this is ground state, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, number of lines here, n equal to 5. Here if we observe, when the after emitting after emitting electron, this will jump to the ground state. That is called, here we can observe Lyman series. Lyman series which are formed at the ground state. Here Balmer series. Balmer, which are formed where n equal to 2. Here third one is Paschen, fourth one is bracket P. Paschen and bracket. These are the number of series of the spectral region which are formed when the electrons are emitted from, when the electrons absorbs energy and then jumps back to the outermost state. Here, when these electrons are within this, we also have these also will be having electrostatic force between themselves. The electrons will also be having electrostatic force between themselves when they are revolving, and they also will be having centripetal force. Means they are revolving in a circular path. No, every object which revolves around the earth or revolves around itself. Here if it revolves in a circular path, means centripetal force means center seeking force. Here it attracts any what it do? It allows any object to move in a circular path. We have electrostatic force equation. That is, we have m. Here we have mv square by r into here 1 by 4 epsilon naught E square by r square. Here from this, let's write r square, r cancels out. mv square equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught E square by r. From this, let's multiply and divide with 1 by 2 on both sides. Let's do this. 1 by 2 mv square equal to 1 by, let's suppose E square by 4 pi epsilon naught into r. This is kinetic energy equation, kinetic energy. Here we have for potential energy U equal to, what we have, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R. From this, the electron value, that is minus E into E by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. So from this we can write U, potential energy equal to minus E square by 4 pi epsilon naught by R. Here both are equal, but only negative sign will be different from kinetic energy. So for total energy equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy equal to E square by 4 pi epsilon naught into R minus E square by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Here this is 2E. From this we can write like 1 by 4 minus 1 by E square by 8 pi epsilon naught R. This is the total energy. Thank you.